Gentle and standard, second gentle, 2 times.
Kids electric toothbrush, high-speed oscillating system.
From Lidl?
Yes.
Yes.
It has 2 brushes.
2 brush modes. Normal, deep cleans, and sensitive, gently cleans. What do you like, normal or sensitive?
Normal.
Normal. Yeah, let's unpack it.
Yes.
Wow. It will be good maybe for your teeth when they start to clean it.
Yeah.
Cleansing of your teeth.
Can you please see it? First one.
Wow, they have a package here. And manual.
Wow.
Wow. NZAK 3.7A1. Check package content. What we have here, handset. Take it. Handset, this one.
I want to see it.
Can you unpack it?
Yes. Wow.
Maybe there is main engine. Turn off, turn off. The second, charging station. Charging station. Maybe this one.
Yes.
How can we charge it?
I know.
Here is some connection. Yeah?
Yeah.
How can it charge it? Where is?
Can I see, please?
No.
Why?
Because we need to explain how it works. I do not see here any contacts. Maybe it's some magnetic charger. I don't know. Okay, so here will be some lights. Charging station, the brush, and this application instruction, and 2 brush heads.
They're different.
Yeah,
This
one
is small and this is big.
one is for normal brush, deep cleans, and second is for sensitive. This one is for sensitive. Yeah?
I don't know.
I understand it. Let's try to charge it. We can't show you a red light at the street because it's too light there. But here we can see when it charged, it red. When it will be ready, it will be green.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one, big one, is for a standard side brush head for optimal results. It's standard. And this is a small brush head with extra soft for gentle brushing, for gentle. What do you like, standard or gentle?
Standard.
Standard. It's for you, standard.
Let's unpack it.
Let's unpack it and connect it.
Wow. I like it.
We need to with hot water
Yeah.
first.
Can I please install it?
No,
Please, it's my brush.
your brush, but
I know
I would like
how.
to install it. Yeah.
Mm.
Gentle and standard, second gentle, 2 times.
Let's test the toothbrush.
And test this paste. Is it working?
Yeah.
Clean all teeth, not only in front. The last one teeth you need to clean too. And from another side too. Yeah, is it good? Do you feel that these now are cleaner than before? Is this brush better than your non-electrical brush?
Yes. I like the vibration when you brush the teeth. There is a vibration.
Yeah, wow, really?
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Now you will clean your teeth twice a day.
Triple.
Triple a day after each meals.
Yeah.